Hello, welcome to my channel. This is general reading for Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising for the month of August. If it resonates with you, please keep watching. If it doesn't, you can personal reading. The information is in the description box below. Let me see what's up with my beautiful Gemini for the month of August. Please tell me what's up with my Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising. Remember that my readings are for Rising, Sun and Moon. So if you want to dive deeper into the realm of astrology, if you want to get more resonating messages, find out your Rising, find out your Moon, and then watch all three videos, you'll be able to resonate with it better. And now let me see what's up with my beautiful Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising for the month of August. Please tell me what's up with my beautiful Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising for the month of August. Please tell me what's up with my beautiful. Some of you could be dealing with an Aquarian. Please tell me what's up with my Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising. I do see Gemini. For some of you, you could be feeling very low on strength and confidence right now. You could be feeling like nothing is working out as you've planned it to be. For some of you, also the fact that some of you really want to some of you are in that space of like building a legacy, like building a family. I do see that some of you are in that space wherein you're thinking ahead, like you at this point of time, you just don't want to be all about the present moment. You want to plan, like say next 10 years. That's where your mind is revolving around. You want your finances to be in place, you want your family to be in place, you want everything working out in a very strategic way for yourself. And I do see that is also giving a lot of you like a lot of mental stress, because right now you are being that person. You want to settle things, you want to see, be really settled for the next couple of years to come, and you are really peeping into future, and that's certainly bringing you guys a lot of burden. I want to see why Page of Wands in reverse though. Please send me Page of Wands in reverse. Please send me Page of Wands in reverse. So these two bad boys here. I do see Gemini that you'll definitely carry passion for somebody, but the kind of space that you're in right now, you're not really ready to accept anything. I mean, even if there could be people, there could be person that you're like willing to invest in. This person is also willing to invest in you, but for some reasons you're so drowning in your stress. You're so drowning in some of you could be drowning in past, some of you could be drowning in future. You are definitely at this point in time, Gemini, what you guys are doing, you're overlooking present. I mean, it's good to plan. Sometimes it's good to learn from your past. Sometimes it's good to really plan ahead, but it's never okay to skip your present. It's never okay to do that, because I do see that the person that I'm dealing with is definitely trying to offer you something, but Since you're drowning in your past, since you're drowning in your future, or whatever you're drowning in, you're definitely missing this person. You're definitely missing the opportunity this person is throwing at you to be with them. I do see that happening. At this point in time, Gemini, I do see a lot of you, Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising. I do see that you guys are in that space wherein you sort of don't have the right kind of space for maybe emotional exchange. You want to be practical. You want to think things through. You want to plan your future. You probably want to plan your future with the person that you're interested in, but at the same time, you're just like refusing to see what they're offering to you. So you're just like, you're in a confused space. You're also like passing a lot of confused vibe to this person that you're dealing with. I want to see I want to dive deeper into the emotion of your person, Gemini. Anyway, and if this reading is resonating with you, please hit the subscribe button. Meanwhile, I will dive deep into the emotion of the person that you're dealing with. If this reading is resonating with you, please hit the subscribe button. And I will dive deep into the emotion of the person that you're dealing with. Please dive deep into the emotion of the person. Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising. Please dive deep into the emotion of the person and Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising. Please dive deep into the emotions of the person. Please dive deep into the emotion of the person I don't mind. Please dive deep into the emotions of the person. Some of you could also be dealing with water sign. This could be a Pisces, or a Scorpio, or a Cancer. Could be an earth sign, could be any sign as far as elements go, could be an Aquarius. What I see, Gemini, that your person definitely has thoughts of being with you, thoughts of building some with you, thoughts of settling down with you. I do see that they are thinking in that way, but at the same time, they're also trying to analyze themselves. They're also trying to probably think if they are ready for that kind of relation. I do see that they want to invest in you, but at the same time, they're like not sure if they. Also, I do okay. I also do see that Gemini, you are also passing them mixed signals. You're also giving them a vibe of being sure, not sure, on and off, hot and cold. So they do want to invest in you, but I do see that the person that you're dealing with, Gemini, is somebody who puts themselves on a pedestal. Who really knows what they are, who they are. This person is an amalgamation of traditional plus this person, like I really like the vibe of who they are as a human being. This person knows who they are. This person knows what they want, and this person is super adaptable. This person is somebody that if you're going to offer me good treatment, I am with you. If you're not going to, bye bye. Like I do sense that sort of a vibe. Probably that's why you're attracted to this person, Gemini. But at the same time, I do see that they are ready to be with you. But at the same time, they're also confused. They want to analyze it. They're thinking about it. I want to see. Also, this could be like a huge change in their life as well, and they're not ready for that kind of change. I want to see why is judgment in reverse. Please tell me why is judgment in reverse. Please tell me why is judgment in reverse. Give me one more card and tell me why is judgment in reverse. Yes, mate. Yes. I do see, Gemini, that this person, they want to be with you, but their grounds are shaky. They want to be with you, but they're not sure about you. They want to be with you, but they don't know if you'll be able to offer the right the right kind of deliverables that they're looking for. And this person, for one, is somebody who knows what they want. Like they basically just know it. Like this is what I want out of my partner. Can you deliver it? Like that sort of a vibe is what I'm sensing. Um, so yes, I do see that this person wants to. This also could be like a twin flame situation, because there's the lovers and two of cups at the same time in the feelings of your person. This definitely could be like a soulmate connection. This definitely could be like a twin flame connection. This definitely could be like a connection that's meant to be, that two people are, are just like meeting at the right time in the right place. So this could be that sort of a connection, but at the same time, I do see, Gemini, that this person is trying to offer you something since you're denying it, since you're like not receptive to it. This person is sensing it. This person is also taking a step back. So yeah, I mean, this is definitely somebody who would like to invest in you, Gemini, but at the same time, I do see that your energy is repelling anybody who's coming close to you. If this reading is resonating with you, please hit the subscribe button. Meanwhile, I will try to find out the outcome. This could be a new person also. This could be somebody who's just walked in your life, or because this is a two of cups and lovers. Yes, this is somebody who's like recently walked in your life, definitely. I want to see, or in the month of August, somebody new could be walking in your life, and this could be happening. But I do see that since there is a lot of matter, in it, this person could be someone existing already around you. I want to find out the outcome for my Gemini Sun, Moon, Rising in their person. If this reading is resonating with you, please hit the subscribe button. Meanwhile, I will find out the outcome. Uh-oh. Please give me the outcome for Gemini Sun, Moon, Rising for the month of August. Please give me the outcome for Gemini and their person for the month of August. Please give me the outcome for Gemini and their person. Please give me the outcome. Give me one more card. Ace of Wands in reverse, Two of Pentacles in reverse, the Tower in reverse. Okay, so Gemini, I do see that the month of August for you guys is going to be, is definitely going to be like a month of a conversation. It's definitely going to, be a month of celebration. Also, some of you guys could be really meeting up with this person. Some of you guys could be, if you're at a distance, some of you guys could be really, feeling contented in the space you are in with this person. At the same time, I do see that neither of you are ready for both you and the person that you're dealing with. You guys are not ready for that kind of change. You guys are not ready for another person to walk in and to take that kind of space in your life. I do see that you have attracted each other because you're vibing on that same vibe, wherein you want somebody, you want to be with someone, but at the same time you don't have that sort of space in your life to welcome somebody. So I do see the month of August, Gemini, for you guys is going to be a lot about trying to let someone in that you want to be with. I do see that happening. A lot of you are still going to struggle with wanting to focus on your work and focus on your future, or focusing on your love life. Some of you are going to probably just decide to dodge your emotions and just focus on your materialistic aspects. Some of you are going to dodge emotions and focus on your passions, or whatever your calling is, whatever your work, whatever the field of work you're into. I do see the month of August is going to be a bit shaky, Gemini. The month of August is definitely going to be a month wherein you and your person are going to come to a realization that you guys want to be together, but at the same time the house and the wards are going to be a bit of an issue. I hope this reading resonates with you. This is it for the month of August. I will see you guys next month.